Um, Good evening. I welcome you all to the AutoCAD tutorials by MCG CAD WORKS. We are here to introduce yourselves to the AutoCAD tutorials. The software we are using is the AutoCAD 2020 64-bit software on Windows 10. How to download the AutoCAD software and everything we have discussed in the first video. Then we have discussed the draw panel in the second video. Then we have discussed the modify panel in the third video, and this is our fourth video on the annotation panel and some other things of the AutoCAD. The one who are new to the channel, just subscribe the channel. If you have not downloaded the AutoCAD yet, we will provide the links of our videos in the I button above. You can just click on them on how to download the AutoCAD, what is the draw panel, what it means, what are its various functions, etc. there. And you can also see the video of the modify panel. So let's start the AutoCAD. This is the 2020 English software. As we said, we are using this video is for the English learners as well as Hindi learners. They can both see the video. The English is not as much difficult that the Indian that the one who speaks Hindi more cannot understand it. So just starting the AutoCAD, till then we can talk about our our last video, so we can recall the whole concept of the last video. The first video was about how to download the AutoCAD. You have to just visit on the AutoCAD website. Main topic of that video was how to download the AutoCAD paid software that costs around 80,000 to 1 lakh for the 2 to 3 years annual package. I don't know exactly, but that costs around that 80,000 to 1 lakh. So how to download that for free and what is the basic thing of the AutoCAD. Or in the second video we discussed about the draw panel, what is line, polyline, circle, arc, etc. commands. Then we discussed about the modify, that is move, copy, rotate, trim, fillet, chamfer, etc. things, that how to create them, how to see them. So now we will discuss about the annotation panel, that is our third panel, and this is over here. In the annotation panel we will just do things with the dimensions, text, arrows, etc. So now this we will set the units first, because we are doing the dimensions, so we will be getting the unique dimensions there. So just escape units, enter, and this is the units, just dimension, precision. We'll just keep it off 0.00 millimeters. I will just draw today in centimeters, and okay. And then we will set limits. We will set the limits of 800 comma 800. Then specify upper right corner. Let it make a box of 400, that is 1200. So the remaining areas of 400. Then we'll just enter Z for zoom, and then A for zoom all. Okay, so this area is the 800 and 1200 coordinates, and this is the limit between them. Let us draw a rectangle there. Let us start from here. I will just give dimensions. Let it be of 200. Enter, 100, enter. So let us just make it here, escape. Okay, so we have now to give the dimension of this. This is the dimension icon. I just click on it. This is used to give as many as dimension you want. Now see, what the thing is, it is very small and the arrow are not being there. I just zoom in. This is the text, but that is not visible at all. So what you have to go, you have to just go on the dimensions style. What is the short form? That you have to just enter D, enter. and this is the dimension style manager. In the dimension style manager, you just modify the dimension styles. Now click on the modify. This is the color of the dimension line, this is the line type you want, this is the line weight, this is the baseline spacing, how do you want the spacing from this is the extension line color, that are these are the extension line type 1, this is the 2, this is the date, suppress 1, extension line 1 is removed, suppress 2, extension line 2 is removed, and if you want to suppress the both, you can just suppress, and you can see the demo here that what will happen. Extension line this now extend beyond dimension line is how much area do you extend between. You can just lower it and it will not extend beyond the dimension line. Okay, so we'll just lower it. Offset from origin, this if you can increase the area between, this will increase. I will just give them 3. Okay, so 3 I have given, and let us give 3 to it also. So this is 3, but 3 is not look good. Fixed length extension line, this is the fixed length extension line, this will don't come into the force. Fixed line length extension line, and you can see. Okay, length, you can just, if we increase it, let us give it 3, so it will be same as well. Okay, so it will be same as well. Let us cancel, let us move on to this one more time. Modify, I want to change the color to yellow. I will want to change the color to yellow. Okay, now suppress dimension line 1, suppress dimension line 2, the arrow between that goes. Baseline spacing, I just give it to 5, I just give it to 5. Okay, now extension line color, I just shift on it to red, and type 1 by below. You can just select the line type from here. Now symbol and arrows, you can increase or decrease the size. I just give it 5, and the 5 is big for this drawing. Let us give 3, enter. You can just choose the arrow and other things. Then that is the dimension break, what will be the dimension break, joggle. Then here is the text, how do you want the text style to do you want annotative is like this and standard is this. Text color, you can change the text color also, this become yellow. I just want to select the cyan color, it is fill color yellow, so it will just show none. Fraction height scale, I just keep it to 3, and so you know this change it, just 3, enter. That is the text height. Text placement, above you can lower it, below you can lower it, or you can for this above is preferred, horizontal this view direction, offset and etc things, fit unfit, use overall scale to this one 3, and so it will fit there. Backspace, set it, give it to 1, enter. Primary units, these are the units, primary units. You can enter the prefix or suffix here, suffix, centimeter, enter. So this is the centimeter and this. Okay, so primary units you can just, and you can enter, like if we are drawing this in centimeter, so we can just give it to this subunits, etc, 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 alternative units and tolerances. We don't need them, so I will just cancel it, close it, and this is the thing. I just go into D, enter. I will just change the suffix thing that has been added, and just go into the modify, text, fit, primary units, and this okay, close. So this is the 200, the extension of this, and there is a break between these two. Okay, likewise I just give the dimension. And one more thing, don't give unnecessary dimension anywhere. This is the box, I just place it over here, escape. You can also see where it and it will meet by tracking these points. Now moving on to the text, multi-line text. So we can just draw something here, just enter, escape, escape, escape. You want to save the no, I don't want to save. Text, single line text, it is provide this. Now I just enter Viraj, that is my name. You can change the annotative, or standard thing. You can just increase the scale to only one option, it is 210, and this is written there, and then there is mass, match, spell check, added decision is. So you just get the option of the mass, etc, and you can just okay, so just enter, just escape, yes, and this is written here, and this is the has a select over here, just delete it. And this is about the text and dimension there. Now I will just give you a homework, provide you a homework. We can just think of the various dimensions we can give, like this I on the like this, yes, no, this I on the see, I just want to this, enter, once again. I want to draw a arc, so from this to this point, from this to this point, from this to this point, and then I want to draw a line from this to this point. Okay, escape. Now I want to know the dimensions, so I just go into the dimension. It will provide you all the types of the dimensions. I'll just go onto this, and I'll just lower this. Okay, now I want to know the dimension, but this will give you only the thing, dimension thing. If you want to measure the circle or this is radius, you cannot measure from this. So just go into this, just go into the angular. Now you can know the angle between them. Okay, you can know the angle between this arc. You can just skip it, or you can just something more from angular, then arc length. You can just select the arc, and this will give you the arc length. Then there is radius, just select the arc or circle, and its radius would be given to u. Okay, then diameter. So select the arc or circle and the diameter is given to you. Okay, and then ordinates, specify feature location. Let us feature this, specify leader endpoint, let us specify this. So this is the coordinate of this point. Then jogged, select the arc or circle, let us select this, select center location of override, and this is the jogged line. Okay, so these are the dimensions, various dimensions given. Then there are many options. There is a leader, add leader, these are the leader of the same command. And there is a table is created for the drawings where you have to want to see the things. Then there's standard, ISO 25, standard, this given to this. Now the next one tab is the layer properties. We use it in more complex objects. Then there is match properties. These are the properties of the line, etc. We will talk about it in the later videos, but now I have something for you all. I just want to talk about something else. This is the concept of the coordinates in the AutoCAD. So likewise, we have given the dimension. We understand that how the dimension is given and how the things are done and how to remove the things. So one thing that is always used to remember is AutoCAD is a software. It knows the command itself. You have to just give it a hint and even it can tell you a help. So I'm just want to take about the most important thing is the learning factor. Students said that um, um, they just want something extra, they just want something competitive. So we are here to teach you from the basics. Actually we are covering all the panels because there are the students who had not done this ever. So for their benefits we are taking it from the basics to the next level. Yeah, we know that we are not doing the complex subject, or we are not taking the complex topics, but we are taking the ones which are important, which are the basics, and without them you cannot understand the things. Likewise the draw panel, if you don't know the use of the line command, or if you don't want to know the difference between the polyline and line and how to join them or how to explore them, then how will you draw some complex objects? We know we can draw the complex object as well, but yeah, we are waiting for the some time. We will cover all the aspects, we have time, so we would cover all the aspects. So why don't we start from the basics? So these are the basic, students. Now if you want to learn something new, you can just go on to the YouTube, just type the topic and you will get a lot of videos on that. And even some channels make you to learn the AutoCAD in just 2 hours, which is a very long years hard work. So just go from the basics till the heights and you will surely see the difference. If you know the basics, then it will help you in much better way. And if you want to explore something, uh, uh, then you can if you want to explore something, just type the, and if you want to just type it on the YouTube and you will get a lot of videos on them. Hundreds, thousands of videos are already on that topic, so you can just explore from it. And we are also doing the things, and some say that you are doing well. So they are the both, we get the emails that we do good things, we are solving the problems very well, so we get the emails about that. But some emails has this, so I just want to talk about that. You can solve the problems as well. Yeah, we know we don't give you such big problems, we just want you to practice, but you can draw by yourself. Let is there is a door in front of you, just take it dimensions, just draw it here, just polish your skills, just polish your basic skills, and after polishing your basic skills you will get to know that how much benefit you get from these skills, how much benefit you get from the other things. So this is the main thing, and today we will do some problem regarding that. Let us download some things from the just download something from the Google, some pictures of the object, some problems to be practiced in AutoCAD. You just want to images, you can get any of these images that are all the things done in this image. And let us take this one. Let us sending, save link, just copy image, search image, save image as learn AutoCAD in the downloads. It is in the PC in the downloads. Okay, it is downloaded, so we will just let us go to here and just select open. So this is open now. Just as it's open, I'll just make it I just open the AutoCAD and this one. Okay, so this is the thing we have to draw. Now there is a line of 70. This is a thing. I just want this to be on with AutoCAD. I just off this. This is the AutoCAD. I just want to let us just close the Chrome first. Chrome is closed. Now just open this. Just go onto this. I just want this to be this. I just want the AutoCAD to be this one. Okay, so we just want to draw something like this. We have a clean sphere now. Escape is just on this, and this is the thing that we want to draw. Okay, so I just give a line of the, I will just on the ortho mode, I will just give the line of 70, enter, and I will open the image. Then there is a line of 60 and 60 from each side. I will just draw the line of 60, enter. Okay, this is the line of 60. I just escape it. I just offset this line we will use the offset command here. Offset, select offset distance, this is 70, enter. Select the object to offset, this one, select point on the side to offset, and this is the offset. Then this is of 60 both this and this. Then there is a circle of R20 and this is R35. So let us draw a circle of R20 somewhere in between this, and then we will draw a circle of R35. Okay, so for this I will just construct the line so that I can get the midpoint of which I have to draw the escape. I will just give the line from this point to this point. Now I want a circle of radius 20 and 35. So from the midpoint, this radius 20, enter. Okay, so this is a circle of radius 20, and somewhere from between this I will just give a arc. Let it give let us just draw with the circle center radius. I just give it center like this, and I just give it center 35, enter. So this is a circle. We just don't want this line and the inner circle line. So I just go on to the trim. I just go into the trim command, select object to select all, enter, and I will just trim this. This is not adjacent. I will just give this, and for this and this I will just escape, just select this one, and press the delete. So this is something which is ready here. So the upper portion is ready. Now this is 15 from there, 15 in height, and this is 10 and 15 from here. I will just go on the lines. Now what will be its coordinate? So just go on the line. Let me decide a point. I will just go on a line. Let me decide this point from point 10. Okay, enter. Escape from like I set it from the let us move 15 upwards, 15, and this is 10 from the side. That is 10 from here and 15. Okay, so let us just draw a line that would be 10 from here, 10 from here, and 15 from here. Okay, so this is the line we got. Now let's just measure this distance. Measure distance from here to here. This is 25. No, we don't want this. We want this to be 10 from here. Delete. So let us just go on to there. Let's go on this point. 10, enter. From 10, 15, enter. And this is the height we want. Then this is 50, 15, and then 10. Okay, I just want this to be 50. I just want to be 50. Enter. 15, enter. 50, enter, and then close. Now we can also use the trim here. Trim, double click, delete. Trim, just trim, right click. Now why don't we use the trim, enter. I just want to select it object as the erase, so I just use the erase one, enter, and this is erase. So we got this. Now we have to just dimension it 60 60, r20, r35, 50 10 15. Go into dimension, from this point go into dimension, from this point to this point, somewhere here, now escape, repeat the command from this point to this point, somewhere here, now from this point to this point, somewhere here, now this point to this point, somewhere here. Okay, 50 50 15. Now we have to just put the radius of the circle, so we will go to the radius. Now select the arc of the circle. Here is this radius. Let us skip it down. Okay, now enter, select the arc of the radius, and from this, it is radius r35, r20, and r35. Okay, I just want to change the D, enter. Now modify, fit, text scan, fit, beside the dimension. Okay, escape, keep it here, r20 and r30, like here, escape, so r35 and r30. These are the dimensions. So this is one of the object that we have drawn. Okay, here, so you can just access many of these from very things. You can just accept many of these from a lot of things. You can just go into Chrome and just type the problems of the AutoCAD, go into images, and you will know about the things that would be in that. So just go on to there, explore yourself. Okay, and just keep the AutoCAD. We would end this video here. Just keep doing the AutoCAD, just keep learning a new skill. Having a new skill is always better than being lately thing left in your hand. So just learn a new thing. These are the software, these will always help in your life, whether you are a mechanical engineer, whether you are an architecture engineer, whether you are an electrical engineer. So it will help you always in your life. Just keep the AutoCAD on, just keep your brains running in the right direction, and you will surely achieve good things in your life, and you will surely achieve the best in your life. So this is Viraj finally waving off. Keep in houses, be safe, be humble, be healthy, be safe with your families, and we just hope for your good health. Thanks. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it to your friends, comment your views. Just keep giving the solution of your videos, emailing it to the mail mcgcreation793 @gmail.com. Thanks a lot for such support. We have crossed 300 subscribers recently, so just keep on doing the good work. Thanks, and we will be very happy to help you with all the things. So just keep on commenting your problems. If any of the problem arises, like some viewers said that they are experiencing problems in the modify panel, I have checked the emails, so we will just have a session on the modify panels once again. We will just go in deep inside in that. We will just also explore some problems of the AutoCAD panel that comes when something happens. So just we will give on our 100% best. We just want you to be giving your best, and the things we will keep on searching for you, and just go and explore the things. Just don't hesitate to do something, because these are the computer, these are the softwares. They don't tell you that you are something or you are something. They just know some commands, they just know you, just personalize it by yourself, and it is a very fun thing to understand the things. So see over the videos. If you are till now watching this, there would be the end screen in which we would provide the link of the recent video. Just keep the video, just subscribe the channel, and we would be coming with these type of videos in the future as well. So and the videos frequency rate would be very soon going to be 1 on 1. That is, in one day we will be giving one video to you about the AutoCAD, and we will just cover the AutoCAD very soon. And after this, we will, once the panel are closed, in the other video we will talk about the layer panel, etc. When this is closed, then we would be going to the complex objects, and we will also do the um, um, things of the complex objects as well. Okay, so just be safe, be with your family, enjoy this quality time, learn a new skill. Just give some time to the AutoCAD, and if you want to have some personalized tips on the AutoCAD, then just email us, or you can write in the comment box. And just keep your love and support like this always, because we have crossed the 300 subscriber marks. That is great. Okay, so thank you all for watching this. This is Viraj closing the video. Hope you have liked it.